Hello, welcome to our second week of our course, ED 604, Contemporary Issues in Education. This week's reading will be based on a chapter by Dr. Joel Spring, who's written a plethora of books about American education. This chapter is meant to give you a foundational look at historical views in America, in education across the time since we've been established as a country up until now. And it looks at some different lenses to view education as we've gone through different eras and decades and centuries, historical, economic, political, social reasons for what we're doing in education and society. So you'll be taking some notes, just 2 points that you think are really pivotal to your work from each of these different lenses, and then explaining in the second half of the chart for your notes how you see this enacted in current situations in classrooms, schools, or coaching fields. So you're actually picking out some of the pieces that you think are either present or possibly missing in your own experience and explain that in the second half of the T-chart where the notes are. Both of these links are in the Canvas site in Module 2 for this week. Other than this note-taking and reading assignment that you're doing around Spring's work, you're just having a reminder, and most of you have already signed up, but just a reminder to sign up for the TED Talks where you're presenting a current educational issue that is important to you, and you'll be doing that starting the first group signups are starting next week in Module 3. So you're signing up for when you want to present your talk, a 3 to 5 minute TED Talk around issues about which you're passionate, and then others will be engaging with you in the discussions after you post. You'll be posting sometime between sessions 3 and 7. The final reminder is to remember to sign up for your book team project if you haven't already done that. The books are shown above. There's 6 different selections. You sign up for which one you want and buy that yourself and begin reading. You hopefully have already done this and have read through at least chapter 1 of your book. Continue reading and taking notes, and soon you'll have a chance to meet the other people in your book team through an interactive discussion and starting to plan out some of your ideas that you think are highlights you want to share with your other classmates toward the end of this semester. Thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to check in with me by email. Look for my Friday announcement updates each Friday by clicking on the announcements link on the sidebar on the left of the Canvas module screen, and I will hope that you have a wonderful week. Thank you.